Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 豚とキムチの味噌汁. It's miso soup using pork and kimchi. It's a fusion of Korean tradition and Japanese tradition. Miso and kimchi are both fermented food, so they go well together really well. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 豚とキムチの味噌汁, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 grams each of thinly sliced pork, kimchi, and bean sprout. I'm using pork shoulder today, but any part will do. 4 tablespoons of miso paste, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. The pork I'm using today is thinly sliced, but it's a bit big. So let's cut it into bite-sized pieces so you can have pork in every bite. Heat up sesame oil in the pot and let's cook the pork first. Once the pork is well cooked, 800 milliliter of water. Hondashi, the soup stock. Bean sprout. And kimchi, all in. Cover with the lid and cook until the bean sprouts are wilted. It will take about 5 minutes. Cooked for 5 minutes. And bean sprouts are wilted, but it's not overcooked. Let's add the miso paste using miso strainer or any small strainer you have. This will make sure you don't have any chunk of miso paste in your soup bowl. So miso in the strainer, dunk it and push it out. All dissolved. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl. And 豚とキムチの味噌汁 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. You can sip it straight from the bowl in Japan. So flavorful. Let's have some ingredients too. The saltiness of the miso paste, the spiciness of the kimchi, and the sweetness of the pork fat are so well balanced, and it tastes so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚とキムチの味噌汁 goes here and plain rice here. How about 鶏のうま塩炒め for the main, わかめの生姜煮 for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.